Hey, Mark Nelson. Today what I want to do is show you how you can make end cards for your YouTube videos. It's really easy, but extremely important because if you put end cards on, it's going to increase your views by about 25%. So hang tough. Here we go. Bye. So here we are at my YouTube channel. And what I want to do, there's YouTube came out with what they call YouTube Studio Beta, and it changed some things, but it's actually really cool. So this is my front page. I have all my videos up here. There's actually two ways to get to this YouTube Studio. You can click here, or you can also go up under your account, and it's sitting right there, where you just click on that and go for that. Now, so I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to click on YouTube Studio Beta and see how long it takes. There we go. Now on the left hand side is what's happening. This is what this looks like now. This is kind of where you can work on. This is your dashboard. You can click on all your videos, and I am, but it also gives you analytics, different settings, and we're going to go through the settings sometimes, and then you can go back to the Creator Studio that's classic. But I want to show you the YouTube beta for 2019. So I'm going to click on videos, and what happens, all your videos are going to show up that you've put away. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick one, and this is a short one, but what's going to happen is I'm going to pick this, and I'm going to go to edit it. And what I do is I go to, now this is where when I clicked on it, went to where I could make different changes to my title, my description, and so forth. But I'm going to go into editor, and the editor page changes like this. So instead of, this was what I made for my template to begin with. I put a pretty girl up there because sometimes I'm not so pretty. But this is my video. And up here you have a little save button. I haven't done anything down here, and you can go through and look at all this stuff. And here's my video, and goes through, and see, I can do different things. I can trim this. This is just a home run. But down at the bottom, there's two things happening down here. If I can show you, there it says add an end screen and add a blur. So when you click add an end screen, it gives you 6 different templates you can pick. You can pick, one video or playlist, one subscribe, one link, one subscribe, 2 videos. Well, I'm just going to pick the blank and see what happens. When I pick the blank, this is what's going on. It shows up right here, and this is where my end cards are going to go. Now, people can do some fancy things. I'm just going to show you some really easy ways to do it. It lets you do 4 of them. So if I click here, it's going to ask me, what do I want to do? Do I want to put a video, a playlist, subscribe, channel, or a link? Well, I want to put a video. And what happens, it shows up right here, left-hand side, and it shares what is the most recent upload, or I can choose a specific video. And normally what I do is it shows, now here it's going to show everything of all my different videos. I can go up and through. So what I want to do is I want to share one that is close to the same thing, and it puts it up there. Okay, so I usually do 2 videos, so I'm going to pick another one, and I'm just going to go video, and it can do a video most recent, and it put it over here, but I'm going to slide it over. I can just move it to where I want to go, and where it goes, it's going to go right down at the bottom. The most recent upload, or you can choose best for viewer. And best for viewer is not going to, this blue won't change because it's going to be best for every YouTube viewer that comes onto my channel and watches these. Again, I like to have my videos up there. I'm trying to get views for me. So I'm just going to pick another one, and here's another one. I'm just going to put it up there. Now that's 2. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick one more, and this is the subscribe one. In the subscribe one, you can look to see what happens. It shows up with my image, but I can move this over, and as I move, oh, I got too far. But if my video has if my face is off to the right hand side, what happens, this, as I move this over, my image will go there, but when it shows up in my video, these people can click it and they subscribe to me. How cool is that? See what happens, this was a really short video, and it lets you, this is the, it lets you have the last 20 seconds. So this was a minute 4 video, and it probably wasn't the best video to pick, but a minute 4. So 20 seconds, I can go to a minute and then 16 more. I can go down to 45, 44 seconds. So I'm going to bring this one all the way to the top, and I want that to be shown all the way through. And then halfway through, a little closer, I'm going to have this. And then I'm going to bring the, and you can play with these. And then I'm going to have that. And that's it. How cool is that? So what I can do is I can play this from right in here.
Great community. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. You take care.
That was not what I wanted to show, but I can go back to the beginning. I'll just show right in here what's going to happen. This is 30 seconds, and I'm going to turn my volume down so you don't have to hear that, but here we go.
It's going out in making my...
As it starts talking, now here it's going to hit the first one. There, that one goes up. And if people click on that, they get to go watch it. Here comes a second. There's that one. And now here comes my subscribe button over here. So how cool is that? So all I have to do is hit save, and that's going to save. It takes a while to work its way through, but that's going to hit save. So how cool is that? I guarantee if you start doing these for all your videos, I'm going back and slowly reworking on all my videos and making sure they all have end cards, so the views and the exposure of my channel is going to increase by about 25%. And yours can too. So, if you got any value from this video, hit the subscribe button. Give me a like, share it with your friends, and we will come on with another how-to video. I come on every week with a how-to video, so if you like what you see today, stay tuned. We will teach you about different things. And I'm going to click on save right now. We will talk to you later.